How to draw makeup. We're going to start off by making an eyeshadow palette. We're going to draw a rectangle. Then we're going to draw another rectangle on top of that, but it's going to be at an angle. Next, we're going to draw a rectangle inside of the one we just made. This will be the mirror. Then we're going to draw 6 circles inside the bottom rectangle. This will be for the 6 different eyeshadow colors. After that, we're going to draw a makeup brush. Then we're going to draw some mascara. We will draw a small rectangle for the bottom part. And then we'll draw a straight line with a smaller rectangle. On the straight line, we'll draw little lines for the mascara brush. Lastly, we're going to draw some lipstick. We're going to start by drawing a square. Then we will draw a small rectangle on top of the square. Next, we're going to make the top of the lipstick. And lastly, we will draw a rectangle for the lid of our lipstick. This is how to draw some makeup. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color your makeup in with us.